Good morning, everybody. This is Mark Evans, your instructor for com235. We're entering week 3 of our class, and we're studying Microsoft Excel. Now, if you'll remember, in week 1, we kind of got started, introduced ourselves. We just started talking about some of the basics of Microsoft Excel, such as formatting and how to set up worksheets and workbooks, and how to change font and font size, and just really basic how to move around Microsoft Excel topics, if you will. In week 2, we just started discussing some simple formulas. Really, those simple formulas are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. And that pretty much wrapped up our week 2 work in Excel. Here in week 3, we're going to start looking at what we would call more complex formulas. And don't let the word complex fool you or scare you. Complex formulas really just take a little more work. They may have more than one math function or more than one math calculation in them at a time. For an example, you may multiply something and divide it. You may add something and at the same time do an average, if you will. You may look for the minimum number in a grouping, the maximum number, the min or the mode. You may be looking at relative cell references or absolute cell references, VLOOKUP, things like that. So, you know, when you hear complex, everybody's like, oh goodness, this is going to be hard. But it's just, it's not hard. It's just more to it, if you will, adding a second or third step into the process and so forth. So that's what we're going to be kind of covering in week 3. And I think you'll be fine as far as how hard that's going to be. We will have our Zoom session this coming Thursday morning. I think it's from 10 to 12, if I remember, Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be going over both simple and complex formulas and kind of making sure that you understand those and that everything's going well in the class for you. So in the announcements, you'll see the Zoom link for those in both Sunday and Wednesday announcements. And other than that, I think we're going well. The class seems to be going good. I'm enjoying listening to your or watching and reading your discussion posts. Your assignments look good, so I think we're on track. So if you have any questions or concerns, please just email me, text me, let me know. We'll be happy to get with you. I'll see you in class.